Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Open My Hub. Please subscribe if you are new here. So today we are preparing a nice and delicious hot pepper sauce. And the ingredient we'll be using is our green pepper, our chili pepper, some blended onions, garlic and ginger. It's optional, you can use just onion, but I added some onions and ginger. So first of all, I poured in my blended onion, ginger and garlic into my blender. I then added my chili pepper. Then lastly, I added my chopped green pepper. So after my ingredient has been added, I then went ahead and poured in my oil into the ingredients. Yes, this is what I'll be using in blending my ingredients. It makes this so smooth. So I didn't use water. You can as well use water if you like. It's optional. So I placed some oil on fire and placed in some chopped onions. So after this fried for a while, I then added my blended ingredients into it and I made this simmer for 8 minutes and I added my powdered shrimps, yes, and some salt to taste. You can as well add any powdered fish or any fish of your choice. Please, it should be dry, yes, so that your sauce will be preserved for a very long time. Yes, after I tasted, it wasn't okay for me, so I added one more powdered shrimps into it and I gave it a good stir. So I left it on fire for like 6 minutes and here it is. It is ready to serve. So after serving, you can place this in your bottles with some little oils on top, and trust me, this will last long. For you to preserve it for a long time, you can place it in your fridge or your freezers as well, and this will last for years or months. So you can serve this with your rice, your bangkun, or your grilled fish or any grilled meat of your choice. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Please give your girl a thumbs up. Until we meet next time, it's bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.